8 ways to eat and exercise for quick weight loss. Long-time period effects are the hallmark of a healthful lifestyle, but from time to time we want a short restore for weddings, reunions, other special activities, or to boost motivation. Here are guidelines to get speedy weight reduction results whilst ramping up your workouts. Ramping up workout routines is a high-quality manner to enhance overall performance and gain body desires, but it's not unusual to increase your health routine handiest to advantage weight. This is a grievance I hear pretty frequently as an overall performance dietitian. Putting in the time and hard effort to teach for a race, preserve up with a collection class, get in shape for a unique occasion, or accomplish health desires most effective to look, the number on the dimensions creep up in place of down can be demoralizing. It might be not unusual, however that doesn't suggest it's miles any, much less frustrating to cope with. 1. Know your numbers. Body composition numbers. This is weight is most effective a part of the image when it comes to fitness. Getting a body fats evaluation and taking measurements of numerous body parts can provide more accurate tracking of whether your exercise is running for you. Muscle is more dense than fats and is a more metabolically active, more healthy tissue, and muscle is put on while health routines, mainly electricity workouts, are elevated. Of root, you could recognize this just with the aid of stepping on the size. Sudden weight advantage can imply your routine is, in truth, running in case your body fat has reduced and lean mass accelerated. 2. Skip the snacks. Spending greater time sweating it out can lead to greater preference to place calories back in. Unless your workouts are longer than an hour and really extreme, probabilities are you do now not want the more gas. If losing weight is your purpose, a calorie deficit wishes to be created, and that won't happen if you're reaching for snacks with the "I earned this" mentality. 3. Trade carbs for protein. Unless you've started an ultra-staying power routine, your body has enough glycogen stores to burn. Carbohydrates shop more water weight, which results in a puffy appearance. Cutting again on carbs can help you acquire the fast-term result of looking leaner because of water weight loss. Giving yourself a bit extra protein all through the day can assist hold you feeling full and boom muscle gains. 4. Ditch the salad. Yes, I said it. Consuming lots of uncooked vegetables is exquisite to your health, but it may motive bloating that gives the advent of now not having a flat belly. Having to digest a variety of roughage can also make you feel slow and uncomfortable, making it hard to get in the workout depth you're after. Foods with sugar, alcohols, eating regimen, processed ingredients, chewing gum and sparkling water can also cause a moderate bloat. 5. Add food to your workouts. Ramping up fitness can require you put calories into your exercise to keep your frame energized to carry out properly. Too regularly I see clients refusing to eat for the duration of their workouts only to be starving and absolutely overdo it later within the day. Restructure your each-day weight reduction plan by means of including a banana earlier than exercising for and strength enhance and reduce a snack someplace else on your day. Now, for a few non-meals associated hints on the way to structure and reveal your workouts. 6. Weights first, cardio second. On days when you're blending workout disciplines, move for the weights first. This can assist your frame warm up to deal with cardio better, permitting you to go tougher. It also ramps up EPOC, extra put-up exercise oxygen consumption, so that you cross into the cardio workout with a higher charge of power burn. 9. Invest in a fitness tracker. Machines at the health club and online calculators generally tend to overestimate your burn. Checking in along with your body's workload is the only way to get an correct take a look at how a good deal power you use for a given interest. Research health trackers that, at a minimum, rely steps, heart fee and sleep. Often, we ramp up workout routines only to be more sedentary. Ordinary. Kick the "I'm going to take a seat at the sofa for hours due to the fact I worked out this morning" mindset by means of using your tracker to set higher step dreams or buzz if you take a seat still too long. A correct tracker can degree your coronary heart fee throughout workout routines to offer a personalized take a look at how tough you're running and what number of calories you're burning. If your coronary heart fee is usually at a walk to the mailbox pace, you gain see the profits you're after. 8. Make it a double when you work out. In particular high-depth workouts, your metabolism is boosted through put-up exercising oxygen consumption and the starvation hormone ghrelin is reduced. Doing a morning session and a nighttime session can make this burn remaining all day lengthy. While these suggestions can assist ramp up your burn and short-term results, long-time period fitness and way of life adjustments are always the massive picture aim. Once you've ramped up your recurring, begin to put into effect more sustainable ways to hold accomplishing your favored outcomes. www.myhealthhint.com. Thank you for watching this video.